on your arc end. The side click it. See the table there? We change that to 2. At the end of the weld, if it detects that the wire is stuck, it'll send a first surge of voltage to try and free it. If it doesn't free it, it'll send a second surge to melt it away.
Okay.
So you want to see what Jim wants?
Oh, I missed it.
Okay, I'll call him back in a minute.
And you did that on one individual line?
Yep.
Okay.
That's all you're able to do.
Okay.
There's no blanket. So
Gotcha.
but you can set that up. Remember when I did the more and I changed it to arc set 3 and arc end 3? That table is there, and you can set it up so it defaults to that in the future.
Okay.
Normally you get the arc sticks because you're jammed in too tight.
Okay. Not enough stick out.
Right.
Okay.
So we'll go back. You want to push the auto button?